band pull aparts, you're gonna grab a rubber band, make sure it's not too thick. Alright, so we're gonna go into the airway position. In the top position, you're gonna keep your arms straight, shrug your shoulders. So from there, you're gonna pull the band apart sideways and down. So you're gonna be retracting the shoulder blades and depressing your shoulder blades in the bottom position. Okay, come down, pull it apart sideways, and try and squeeze your shoulder blades, open up the chest in the bottom position. So if you don't have a rubber band, you can find yourself a broomstick or a PVC pipe, and you're going to get into the airway position, same thing. Try to break that broomstick or PVC pipe in half as you pull down, squeeze your shoulder blades, and try to open up the chest in the bottom position, and then press back up.